Today, I'm going to use this strange cookie cutter to create an awesome painting. Hopefully. Stick around and find out. My name is Sara, and if you are new here, I use fluid art to help with my depression, and if you want to learn more about pour painting, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Today I am going to do like an open cup pour through this dog bone shaped cookie cutter. I went to buy this last year to make dog treats and never got around to it. So here we are, pour painting with it. First things third, I need to stick it actually on the canvas. And then I pour the white around. I feel like I might have added too much. Don't know. I think I need a new white cup in the very future. Very near future. My cat is going insane, I'm sorry. She's a good girl. So the colors I'm going to be using today are yellow, phthalo green, titanium white, ultramarine blue. So I used a lot of ultramarine blue and a little bit of phthalo green and a lot of titanium white to make this color. This is just phthalo green and titanium white. This is yellow and titanium white. And then this is the purple one here, is the lilac lace pearl that I used in one of my other videos. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll have it linked in the description and in the comment section. It'll be the pinned comment. Once I'm done spreading this around, I'll add the colors to the center of the bone and we will go from there. This is taking a little bit longer than I thought. I don't know where my big palette knife went, so here I am using the small one, good enough. There, so paint spread around. Oh, kind of. Use my finger with no glove for this. I'm gonna put on a glove in a second. It was just one of those like, I'm gonna do this now before I forget. But hindsight's 20/20. And I just stuck my hand in the paint cloth. Roll up my sleeves before I forget. So I see a lot of people using a star cookie cutter to do their cookie cutter pours. I wanted to be different. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna use this bone because it's not one of the actual ones that I use on a regular. So, well, I figured I'd try with something. So I have a feeling this is going to be like an open cup pour, but, well, a little bit different. So I have added silicone to all my colored paints, but not my negative space. I never add silicone to my negative space because it kind of moots the point a little bit. Add some purple. I love this pearly purple. It's so pretty. This should get it to break the seal. No? Okay. Huh. Okay, I'm just gonna lift this a little. There. That should help release some of it anyways. Everything. Some more yellow. See, I thought it'd be coming out a lot faster than this. It is not. Add some more green. And some more purple. This is not going how I wanted it to. Now it is. I realize this looks a little Eastery. That's not what I was going for, but it looks good nonetheless. Got some more blue. Oh, created a new seal. Okay. Got some more of the green. And some more yellow. Woo! Getting to the top now. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for it to do its thing for a second, and then I will tilt it after I move all my paints, so I don't get paint in things, stuff. Yeah, I said things and stuff. Sue me. Huh, the dog bone shape kind of stayed. That's funny. Okay. Time for the fun part. Actually, before I do anything else, I'm gonna take my palette knife and go like this. So it's not so plain in the middle. I'm just doing what I see on Instagram that nail artists do in their nail polishes, so it's a neat little marbling effect, I guess. Alright, now for the fun tilty part. I hope I have enough paint. So see, trying really hard not to lose anything right now. I'm just trying to get it to glide across the canvas so nicely. Now I don't really mind losing anything, considering the majority of the canvas is already covered. Get this first corner, get this other corner. I don't know, making pour painting can be such a messy thing at the same time, and people kind of cringe when I do it, and they're like, "You're losing so much paint." And I'm like, it's different here than in Europe, because in Europe a lot of the materials I use are very, very expensive compared to here. And even in the States, even Floetrol is considerably cheaper there than it is here. Come on! I'm just trying to get it to go. This seems really cool so far. I seem to be better at guesstimating how much paint I'm gonna need. That's for sure. Yeah, in an upcoming video, I'll totally teach you guys how I calculate how much paint I need in like a pour, or like a normal pour, like a flip cup, or just flat out pour. It's coming. Just slow. Flip it the other way. Who knows, it might be easier if I just hold it down like this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, take some of this paint from down here so people don't have a conniption, and tap it up here. And then I'm gonna tilt it again and hope it'll go. As you've seen in my most recent video, I've been trying to go for brighter colors since it is summer, and I've been getting out of my slump a lot more. I'm gonna try to upload a little bit more frequently. This is just really, really cool. Wow, it's very very shiny. I'm trying to use lighter, cheerier colors in my paintings. Like I say in my channel banner and the About page. Don't let your feelings dictate, you know? Don't let life dictate the way you feel. Create your own reality. And by using brighter colors like this, I am creating my own reality by making it a happier place. I can see the dimples that are being caused when I torch it, and that lets me know that the silicone's coming to the surface and popping all the air bubbles, blah blah blah. I will link my bright open cup pour in the corner, at the end of this video. In the bottom, I'll also link a playlist of all my videos. Make sure you like this video if you like how this turned out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time.